professional student. Yeah, we got this question. This person says, I'm writing ICAN for the first time. Where do I start from? If this is your first time of writing ICAN exam, some few things actually will come to mind. But before I go there, let me tell you the first time I wanted to do this ICAN exam. Yeah, the very first time I wanted to do it, I have what we call anxiety. Because why? A lot of people where I was working then, let's say 10 people go for the exam, 10 people will come back and fail when the result is out. When the result comes out, the 10 of them will fail. Everybody fails. So I was scared. So, so some of the strategy I want to talk about are what I used then, and which we advise our people to use today, and it's helpful. Okay, so the first one is that you'll be anxious because it's a territory of unknown. Yeah, you're going into a territory that you have never worked in before. And mind you, professional exams is different from um, academic exams. Yeah, professional exams is different from academic exam. Most time, there's no area of concentration. All right, so first, expect that you have anxiety. And what will you do to eliminate the anxiety is to start by taking the right step. So I'll come back to that. But the second thing that you should do if this is the first time you want to write the ICAN exam is to carry out your ICAN registration if you haven't done that, and your exemption if you are eligible. So, well, I think if you contact our team, we'll give you the process on how to carry out your ICAN registration as a student if you haven't done that, and then your exemption if you are eligible. So now back to the main thing. What do you need to, when you are anxious, what happened? It means that there are uncertainty along the way. It means that you are not sure of what you will encounter. That's what creates anxiety and anxiousness, right? So what should you do when you are not sure? Is to ask those who have gone ahead of you, how did they make the way? So, so the first thing I want to tell you is that you need to prepare with the right materials. And mind you, preparing with the right material means there's a volume and volume of material to go through that can be very overwhelming. So you don't want to start with that. You want to start by using the right material that will go straight to the topic, straight to the issues that you want to address, right? So and if you want to do that, then it's better you start with videos. You start by using video lectures for your preparation, right? So if you use video lecture for your preparation, it will enhance your, it will help you remember what you have read and helps you to easily recall when you are in the exam hall, particularly if you use Starry Gold Academy videos. So Starry Gold Academy videos is what I would naturally recommend for you to start with. So if you get it, then try and go through it at least 2 times before the exam. Make sure you go through it at least 2 times before the exam. Okay, so if you prepare, then your level of confidence will increase, then your anxiety will go down. Then start practicing past questions. Start practicing past questions. Let it not be that it's when you enter the exam hall that you will see some question for the first time. So if that's the case, you enter as an exam hall and that's the very first time you are seeing that question or its type, you are likely not to know how to answer it. So for this, start practicing past question. So to help you practice past question, then when you get our video lecture, we also give you 12 diets of past questions that we have solved, we have shown in the video with the solutions and all of that. So make sure once you get that, you find out that when you start practicing past questions, your level of confidence will start increasing. And when your level of confidence increase, then you find out that you can then have courage and boldness to go and conquer the exam. So I hope this is helpful. I don't want to make this long for first timers. So make sure you practice past question, hold the past question, look through it, see the structure, and then go through some of the free material we have on ICAN exam success videos. You'll see them on YouTube or you can ask from our team. Those ones are free on how you can answer each question, each paper that you are sitting for. We did an extensive videos on that, webinar on that will be very helpful. All right, thank you very much, and wishing you success in your on your path to the ICAN journey. Bye.